Sup everyone, this is Rose Chill and we're going to discuss about the production of electronic devices. But first, let's get to know what are electronic devices. So, electronic devices are parts used to regulate the flow of electrical currents for system control and information processing. The two most notable examples for these are the transistors and diodes. Integrated circuits are compact packages that may hold numerous electronic devices that are typically small in size. The present electronics boom is largely attributed to this shrinking, so it's critical to understand how electronic devices are created as they become more prevalent. From developing the gadgets to assembling them and sending them to consumers or customers, there are numerous phases involved in the manufacture of electronics. So what are the stages or phases? So that's what we're going to discuss in this video. So to start, we're going to talk about the design. So the design stage of the manufacture of electronics comes first. It is where engineers design the plans for the apparatus, so they must take into account the intended application of it and the components it will require. So the assembly process, after they have a design, so they build prototypes and test them to ensure that they function as intended. Next is the sourcing phase. So this stage is to purchase the parts from other companies who are involved in the electronics manufacturing sector. So suppliers from all around the world are able to perform this. This assembly plant receives the components after that. Next to it, or the third phase, is the assembly. Of course, we're going to assemble those parts or those each part to make a device. So these parts are assembled in the assembly facility. So these are usually the warehouse. They're going to assemble these devices in the warehouse. So in this process of making electronics, both workers and machines accomplish this. So the employees align to the components before soldering and attaching them. And afterwards, to confirm that it operates properly, the device is tested once again. So before you produce this specific device or this electronic device, of course you have to test it first, because you don't want to disappoint your consumers. You don't want them to spend their money for the device that doesn't work accordingly. So the next phase is the packaging and shipping. So the gadgets are sent for packaging and shipping to retailers. After testing, consumers are eventually sold this. So there are companies who made or creating their own brand of electronic devices. So after those other stages, they're going to pack this one and ship them to their partner company, and then those people are going to sell this one to the other, which are the people who use this specific device. Then yes, that's the last part of the production, a last phase of the production of electronic devices. So right after the design, the last part will be packaging and shipping. So this is where the people ship their items to make profit. So along with that, there are certain initiatives that being imply through the production of these electronic devices. So this is the eco-friendly initiative. So the predictions and trends in manufacturing today demonstrate a change in consumer attention. So businesses are becoming increasingly conscious of their impact on the environment. Some are even making preparations to start green manufacturing businesses. For instance, some assembly lines run on solar energy, which lowers emissions and conserves energy. So the production of electronic plays a significant role in the world economy. It makes items that use every day and gives millions of people jobs. We should be conscious of how our products are manufactured. So this is why some companies are adapting to eco-friendly initiatives. So to make the process as environmentally friendly as possible, we can all contribute. And that would be all. Thank you.